Greetings, dear learners. Welcome to an enriching day of knowledge and growth. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey delving into the world of law enforcement administration. Introduction through this learning guide. As we begin, I encourage you all to prepare yourselves for an immersive experience of learning and enjoyment. Let's dive into the content of this video with enthusiasm and an open mind. Before we proceed, remember to prioritize your safety at all times. Now, let's begin our exploration of criminology and law enforcement administration. May you always be blessed and guided on your learning path. Thank you for joining Teacher Lumaban's YouTube channel. Let's make this learning experience truly remarkable.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Law enforcement administration, the process involved in ensuring strict compliance and proper obedience to laws and related statutes. Focuses on the policing process or how law enforcement agencies are organized and managed in order to achieve the goals of law enforcement most effectively, efficiently, and productively. Pangangasiwa sa pagpapatupad ng batas ang prosesong kasangkot sa pagtiyak ng mahigpit na pagsunod at wastong pagsunod sa mga batas at kaugnay na batas. Nakatuon sa proseso ng pagpupulis o kung paano inorganisa at pinamamahalaan ng mga ahensyang nagpapatupad ng batas upang makamit ang mga layunin ng pagpapatupad ng batas ng pinakamabisa, mahusay, at produktibo. Law, the system of rules that a particular country or community recognizes as regulating the actions of its members and may enforce by the imposition of penalties. Batas ang sistema ng mga tuntunin na kinikilala ng isang partikular na bansa o komunidad bilang kumokontrol sa mga aksyon ng mga miyembro nito at maaaring ipatupad sa pamamagitan ng pagpataw ng mga parusa. Enforcement means to compel obedience to a law, regulation, or command. Pagpapatupad nangangahulugan na pilitin ang pagsunod sa isang batas, regulasyon, o utos. Administration, an organizational process concerned with the implementation of objectives and plans and internal operating efficiency. Connotes bureaucratic structure and behavior, relative routine decision-making, and maintenance of the internal order. Administrasyon, isang proseso ng organisasyon na may kinalaman sa pagpapatupad ng mga layunin at plano at panloob na kahusayan sa pagpapatakbo. Nagpapahiwatig ng bureaucratic na istruktura at pag-uugali, relatibong regular na paggawa ng desisyon, at pagpapanatili ng panloob na kaayusan. Sir Robert Peel is considered a father of law enforcement. Sir Robert Peel ay itinuturing na isang ama ng pagpapatupad ng batas. Sir Robert Peel's 9 Principles of Policing. Sir Robert Peel's ang 9 na prinsipyo ng pagpupulis. 1. The basic mission for which the police exists is to prevent crime and disorder. Ang pangunahing misyon kung saan umiiral ang pulisya ay upang maiwasan ang krimen at kaguluhan. 2. The ability of the police to perform their duties is dependent upon public approval of police actions. Ang kakayahan ng pulisya na gampanan ang kanilang mga tungkulin ay nakasalalay sa pampublikong pag-aproba ng mga aksyon ng pulisya. 3. Police must secure the willing cooperation of the public in voluntary observance of the law to be able to secure and maintain the respect of the public. Dapat tiyakin ng pulisya ang kusang kooperasyon ng publiko sa voluntaryong pagsunod sa batas upang matiyak at mapanatili ang paggalang ng publiko. 4. The degree of cooperation of the public that can be secured diminishes proportionally to the necessity of the use of force. Ang antas ng kooperasyon ng publiko na maaaring matiyak ay bumababa ng proporsyonal sa pangangailangan ng paggamit ng dahas. 5. Police seek and preserve public favor not by catering to public opinion but by constantly demonstrating absolute impartial service to the law. Hinahanap at pinangangalagaan ng pulisya ang pabor ng publiko hindi sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng opinyon ng publiko ngunit sa patuloy na pagpapakita ng ganap na walang kinikilingan na serbisyo sa batas. 6. Police use physical force to the extent necessary to secure observance of the law or to restore order only when the expertise of persuasion, advice, and warning is found to be insufficient. Gumagamit ang pulisya ng pisikal na puwersa sa lawak na kinakailangan upang matiyak ang pagsunod sa batas o upang maibalik lamang ang kaayusan kapag ang kadalubhasaan sa panghihikayat, payo, at babala ay nakitang hindi sapat. 7. Police at all times should maintain a relationship with the public that gives reality to the historic tradition, the police are the public and the public are the police. The police are only full-time individuals charged with the duties that are incumbent on all citizens. Dapat panatilihin ng pulisya sa lahat ng oras ang isang relasyon sa publiko na nagbibigay ng katotohanan sa makasaysayang tradisyon, ang pulis ay ang publiko at ang publiko ay ang pulis. Ang pulisya ay mga full-time na individual lamang na sinisingil sa mga tungkulin na nakatalaga sa lahat ng mamamayan. 8. Police should always direct their actions strictly towards their functions and never appear to usurp the powers of the judiciary. Dapat palaging idirekta ng pulisya ang kanilang mga aksyon sa kanilang mga tungkulin at hindi kailanman magmumukhang inaagaw ang kapangyarihan ng hudikatura. 9. The test of police efficiency is the absence of crime and disorder, not the visible evidence of police action in dealing with it. Ang pagsubok sa kahusayan ng pulisya ay ang kawalan ng krimen at kaguluhan, hindi ang nakikitang ebidensya ng aksyon ng pulisya sa pagharap dito.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, law enforcement administration. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.